Hello everyone. So today I am going to make a very interesting video today. We all know today is World Animal Day. So today I will draw something on World Animal Day. So World Animal Day. 4th October is known as World Animal Day. So today is 4th October and today is World Animal Day. So let's draw something, a nice drawing. So first of all I will make an earth. So for that I will make round, half round like this. So this is our earth and we can add some land and water in that. So we can just add some portions of different continents and water. So like this you can. So some animals in sea animals also we can draw, because sea animals are also comes under animal. So we can start with whale. So this is for whale, and we can make other animals also like jellyfish. We can add jellyfish here. So this is jellyfish. Now we can add some animals on, some wild animals and some farm and pet animals. So I will start with the lion. So I am just drawing some cute and easy drawings which is easy to be made. And now I'll add some from the down, the legs. So you can add all the animals, all the birds, and all this comes on this World Animal Day. So you can just add whatever animals you can think, you can add those animals. So lion I have added, and now I will add hippo. I will draw a cute hippo. So you can add a cute hippo. Okay, while watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Subscribe it, share it with everyone. You can get many different types of video here, and I'll just keep on adding many more videos. So just subscribe it, share it. Basically you will get all type of videos related to drawing, pre-education. So anyone who's interested in drawing and education, pre-education, even if you want to open your own school, you can get many ideas here. From this channel you can get many ideas. So this is hippo. Now I can add some tree also I can add, because we know on earth there are so many trees, and this forest trees represent your forest area. So this is a tree, a cute nice tree. Now I will add elephant. How can we forget elephant? So I'll make an elephant, an easy elephant. See, all the animals I drawing are very easy to be made. You can easily made it actually. And because see, many people they just want to doodle and they just want to draw something, relax. So my drawing will really relax you also. You will enjoy it. It's not like a something which you will not enjoy. So it's a butterfly, so all the insects also will come under this. Now what else? We can add some farm animal, pet animals and farm animals. So I'll add one cat now on this side. So you can make a cute cat. You can add some, make a cat like this. So you can just draw a cat. So you can add a cute cat. And what else you can add? Now from here I'll add one dog, because dog is such a animal which everyone likes to keep as a pet. So we can add dog. So this is a dog. Now what else you can add? You can add we can add penguin now. One penguin I want to add here. So on this side I'll add one penguin, a cute small penguin. I'm just trying to cover all type of animals actually. Insects, animals, water animals, everyone. Everyone is important some way or the other for our survival. We all are connected with each other actually. So this is penguin. So I added a easy penguin also. Now I'll just add one bird. So I'll add toucan. So this is you can draw like this with a big beak. So like this you can add. Sitting on the tree. So this is your cocoon. And so my drawing is ready, and now I will start coloring it. So I will color with start coloring with lion. So you can color it with brown. Whatever color you want to use, you can use it. So this is lion. And the mane of the lion you can color with yellow color. Yes, and add some 2 ears also. Now you can color the mane with yellow color. So this is your lion. And now in the same way I can color all the other animals also. So I have colored all the animals, and you can also color like this, and you can just, so we can write 5 lines about World Animal Day, so that the main something we can understand about this World Animal Day. So the 4th of October is celebrated as World Animal Day. The mission of this day is to improve human life standards. The relationship The mission of this day is to improve human and animal life standard. The relationship between humans and animal species is required to be valuable and positive. Awareness about animals are raised on this day. Different events like drawing, quiz, essay writing are organized in schools, colleges, and other organizations. So this is the something I have told you about World Animal Day. And so you also can do something. You can also raise awareness, draw something, you draw this drawing which I have drawn, write some lines, raise some awareness. So I hope you must have enjoyed this drawing and this awareness program, something which we have told you about World Animal Day. So I hope you will also draw something and you will also raise awareness on your level. So okay, I just happy World Animal Day once again to all of you, and don't forget to subscribe and share my channels with others. So okay, bye.